it's Jay from PerfectlyFitted.com, and today we are going to go from Hamilton to Niagara Falls by car. And then we're going to ride in Niagara Falls, and I'm just gonna take footage of where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna show the exciting parts, none of the boring stuff. It's gonna be boom, 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 and we'll go from there. All right, let's get it. We are here right now in Niagara Falls. We're in the core. I'm going to go very far from the core, and I will show you where I park, and then we'll go from there. It's very quiet on the weekdays, especially with the pandemic happening. Here I am. I'm going to get changed and get ready to ride. We've arrived at Niagara Falls and we're going to do this. Let's do it. Okay, I'm ready. Kind of. I got my Ornat cycling bib. I have my Café de Cycliste winter riding jacket. I have my Assos thermal. It's a summer one though because it's kind of nice out here. And I have my Scott foil with me, and let me show you that, okay? Oh yeah, and I got these. These are Goodr glasses. Goodr. And me. Yeah, Niagara Falls, we're here. Let's do it. Gotta watch out for leaves. Oh my god. I'm not even on the road anymore. So if you decide to ride around here, prepare for the rain. It always rains around the falls. It's very quiet today, it's very nice. I'm the only loud one right now because I'm coasting. So here's some more footage. Struggle is real. Oh my god. Sky wheel, T-Rex. Ghost town. Crazy. at to the gorge right now, and so it looks behind me, and then over there. Hey, we're almost at the gorge. A couple of more turns and we're gonna be there. Here's a front view how it looks. Yeah, some trees. Niagara Parks, as you can see on the left. Stay tuned. Okay, so normally you see lots of people here. It's Wednesday on November 2020 and there's absolutely no one here. Crazy. So normally when I go to Niagara Falls, I park close to the falls. I go look at the falls because that's what makes it worth coming here, looking at the falls. After that, I just started riding in Niagara Falls. This will be my second time. I'll ride from there to the gorge, which is here. Then I go back, maybe debate on getting something to eat, and I go home. But this is what I usually do when I go here. I'm not really sure where all the trails are, so I have to look more into that. And then once I do that, I'll do more videos of Niagara Falls. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, peace.